Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Classically Chic. I am glad you're here. I'm sorry I've not posted in a while. I have been sick for 2 weeks straight. And now I'm in a hotel bathroom filming for you guys. So, yep, there's a toilet. Love it. Beautiful aesthetic in the background. So I'm gonna be doing my best to do a tutorial of the Kris Jenner, Kylie Jenner, momager thing, whatever this is. I'm gonna be doing it for you. But first, I have to put my face on, and then we can do the rest of it. So, I'll see you in a minute. So I'm back now with foundation and eyebrows that actually look okay, and some eyelid primer. So I am back and ready to go. Hairball. So I am gonna start with the eyes, I guess, because I only have some pressed powder, which looks like this. The eye shadows, lip pencil with the matching lipstick, and a lip collection, which I can't use the lipstick and the lip collection, but maybe I will. We'll see. We'll find out what I do. So I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. What should I do? Should I do like an ombre? Or I just use like 5 colors? If I just use like 5 of these, I'm gonna do it. All right, I'm gonna use, ooh, let's start with very nice. This beauty here. Very nice. And I'm just gonna put that just here. I don't know. Right in the middle. I'm just gonna put it. Alright. Oh, it's a little bright. Let me. Okay, right in the middle there. See it? Oh, right there. Beautiful. Okay, it's just. Alright, now let's do, Talent, which is this one. I think that'll complement it nice, maybe not. I don't know. Let's do that here on the outside. Yeah. Right. Okay. Alright, so that's, you see that there? It's a little dark. Let's take it up a little bit. Blend in with the very nice up here. Right? Next, let's do a matte, because these are both sparkly. So let's do, ooh, I don't know if I should do I Love Myself, or does it come in black? These are both kind of dark. Let's do I Love Myself, which is this color here. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put that in the little corner. The little eye corner. I don't know what that's called. The crook of your eye. Eye corner. Just like put it all in there. Make sure it gets inside your eyeball so you're seeing it, seeing this color. I love myself. All right, you can see it. It's right here, right here. Okay. What do we want to do in the middle there? Vodka tonic? That might be pretty. That's this one, a little sparkle sparkle. Ooh, Haters looks good. We're gonna have to use that too. All right, let's put that right here. All right. And then let's take some of this this right here, here, some sparkling, and just put it like right here. Right in front. Yeah. For the heck of it. Why don't we put it on top? Just like, Oh, yeah, just like, oh yeah, some sparkle there. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Some nice sparkle. All right. What's it looking like? What's it? Oh, come on. Do we need a blend? Do we need to blend? I don't think so. I think it looks pretty good. I just literally randomly chose those colors. Did not think about it. And they actually kind of look good together. So I'm a makeup genius. Everybody needs to follow me because I'm a makeup genius. Makeup gurus, I'm coming for you. I didn't even put this together. I just did it randomly with my eyeballs. There are ghosts in here. I'll put money on it. I'll have to do some of my eyeliner. You may watch if you want, but you don't have to. Wow. My eyeliner looked like poop, but that's okay. That's not what we're here for. I got a little mascara. So, eyes are done. How do we like this eye look? I'll get you a close up here. Oh, beautiful. All right. So next, let's use some of this powder, which is, oh shoot, which is beautiful. Flecks all the light. So I'm gonna use one as a blush and one as a highlighter. Doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna use I Raised You on Mac and Cheese as a blush. Don't judge me if I'm putting this on wrong. I don't ever wear blush. I don't know how to use it. So I'm just putting it where I think it goes. Oh, you can see it there. You can't see it in the mirror, but you can. Maybe I should just clown it up, you know? Alright, and then I'm gonna use It's Snowing Pussy Willows as my highlighter. I don't have a highlighting brush because I'm an idiot. Didn't put the money in it. I should have. Long time ago. So I just use this little bitch. Just gonna keep putting more highlighter until I think that's enough. Oh, frick. Look at that. Look at that gleam, y'all. I'm gonna put it on my nose and I'm gonna put it, Okay. Put a little bit in your mouth. Oh, that's nice. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of bronzer. This is my bronzer. It's just Ulta kind. Because I'm a cheapo. Alright, next. What is it? Oh, lips. The lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue. If anybody was in theater, you know what I'm talking about. Vocal warm-ups. Okay, lip liner. I've never used this in my whole entire life. I don't even, not really sure where it goes. Does it go in your whole lip or does it just go on the outside? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay. Okay. I seem like I've messed up. So what I'm supposed to do? You can't even see it. Can you see it? And then I have this, which is Give Me a Kiss. Did I just put on? I really don't know how to use a lipstick. Maybe I should ask my mom to teach me. She probably knows. And my mom's a very smart lady. Ooh, dang. Oh, this color looks good. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, queen. This color looks good. Look at this. Yes, yes. This queen, this color looks good. Alright, what are some of these? Maybe I can put a gloss over it. Can you put a gloss over a matte lip? I don't know, but I'm gonna do it. What color is this? That looks more like it. You know what, I'm gonna use this. This is the, really? It's 3 question marks. I don't know how long 3 question marks should go on, but it's a gloss, has a little brushy brush. Let me use it. Does not match my lip liner. Oh, it's mixing. Love that. I'm just gonna. This did look nice. I messed it up. Maybe it can be some like ombre, you know, like outside of the lip looks cute. And the inside looks lighter. This tastes funky. Kylie Jenner, what do you put in your products? This tastes gross. Look, you can see this gleam. Ooh. Alright, so this is the final look. We got a nice eye look. A nice lip look. And a nice highlighter. You see that highlight? Dang, if I would buy anything again, it would be this highlighter. It is bright. And also that blush. Like, what? That's so good. I don't even use blush. Oh, look how good. This looks so good. So, yeah. So, like this video for more and subscribe because I make new videos every single week and I promise I'll get back to making them. I've just been sick for 2 weeks straight, literally with the flu, almost died, but here I am back, baby, with the highlighter that'll slay a man. So you know, like for more, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye! Just like nicotine, heroin, morphine, suddenly I'm a fiend.